Hey guys, it is a rainy Wednesday afternoon here in Orange Beach, Alabama. It is April 29th, and the Alabama beaches are scheduled to reopen tomorrow about 5 p.m. All beaches will reopen. They do have to follow the social distancing guidelines of staying 6 feet apart, no gatherings of more than 10 people. All areas should reopen tomorrow around 5, except for one little area over under the Perdido Pass Bridge. Little area right over there will remain closed until further notice. But this video, I'm going to give you a little update on what it looks like the day before and merge right on into tomorrow evening's 5 p.m. beach reopening. Rainy, rainy day. It's supposed to be a lot prettier tomorrow. This is Alabama Point East, the public beach access. And again, this public beach access will remain closed until further notice. This is located down underneath the Perdido Pass Bridge, over near Cobalt and the Caribe. And this will remain closed until further notice, just to help regulate the social distancing guidelines. Tomorrow, after I get it loaded up, I will add a link to the beach's reopening video. There should be a little link that'll appear up in the top left corner of your screen here once I get that video loaded up. Should be loaded up on April the 30th by about 8:30, 9 o'clock. Of course, the beaches are going to open up at 5 p.m. Going to come down and get some video for you and take a little walk on the beach to get my toes in the sand before I upload the video. But thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the videos. Stay safe. Thank you again.